So it's unfortunate. Our cat was diagnosed with asthma last week. We thought it was a hairball that he had, but it was actually asthma that he was diagnosed with, we think, along with potentially pneumonia. So in the interim, I was given some antibiotics, as well as an aerosol and some bronchodilators, as well as a chamber to give it to him. And it was quite a little overwhelming to give it to him at first. He didn't know what to do, and we were pushing too hard in his face. But I just wanted to show you how now this beautiful cat named Ziggy can actually take this well. I've given him the initial one. I press it on his face quite lightly, and then it's enough that I can see him expel and bring in the air on his own. Come on, Ziggy. So we go like that. There you go. Awesome. He's become accustomed to it. We've been doing it for a week now, and he's doing so much better. All right. I encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel. I talk about a whole variety of tips and tricks for cats, and hope to see you there. Take